Hello, my dear students. How are you? My dear students and well-wishers and also supporters. Today, my topic is about the importance of industries. Fortunately, as our India got independence, our first Prime Minister, Jawaharlal Nehru, had taken a number of wonderful steps for the development of industries with the help of 5-year plans. Already you know, mostly during second 5-year plan period, 1956 to 1961, industries was given more priority or importance to develop itself. For a period of 5 years, tremendously these all industries developed by taking more steps by Nehru's government. But nowadays, all types of goods or commodities have been producing in our country. And what about types of industries? Do you know how many types are there in industries? Industries are classifying into four types based on availability of the or investing of capital. Based on the investment, industries have been classified under 4 kinds. Number 1, large scale industries, medium scale industries, small scale industries, or tiny scale industries. And what about based on management? Based on management also, in our country or any country in the world, have been classified under some kinds. Those are private industries, public industries, and also joint sector industries. And what about classification of industries based on raw material? So generally, to produce any good in any industry, without the help of raw material, it is highly impossible to produce. So that's why all types of industries depending on raw material. Suppose, for example, cement industry. It is predominantly available in Tamil Nadu of India. Tamil Nadu state has been producing more cement production. Number of cement factories are there in Tamil Nadu state. There are required facilities or abundant climatic conditions and also abundant availability of raw material in Tamil Nadu and proximity to Tamil Nadu state. First of all, do you know what are the raw materials required for the cement industry for its development? Number 1 main raw material for the development of cement industry is limestone, asbestos. Main. So these asbestos and limestone main raw materials are available in Tamil Nadu and surroundings of Tamil Nadu. And what about forest-based industries and agro-based industries? Some industries to develop itself, they have been depending upon agriculture sector. Those industries are called as agro-based industries. For the development of those types of industries, for raw material, they should be dependent on agriculture sector. Those industries are called agro-based industries like sugar industries, cotton industries. And what about forest-based industries? To get raw material abundantly, some industries are based on forests. Some raw material available from forests generally. That's why these all forests to develop itself, they should be depending on forests for getting of raw material. That's why those industries are called as forest-based industries. And another type of industries also there, mineral-based industries. Those industries for getting of raw material mostly to produce goods and commodities in those industries, they have been depending upon minerals. Okay, thank you.